Where we live. I live in a cozy house on a quiet street. My house has a red door and a big window to watch the world go by. My Uncle Tim lives in a tall apartment building in a busy city. Cars honk and people walk by all day long. My cousin Leo lives in a dormitory at his school. He shares a room with his friend, and they have bunk beds. My other uncle, Ben, lives on a farm in the country. He has a big red barn and lots of animals. When I go to summer camp, I sleep in a tent. It's fun to hear the crickets chirp at night. When my parents go on vacation, they stay in a hotel. Hotels have many floors and lots of rooms. My aunt and uncle live in a trailer. They can take their home with them wherever they go. My friends live in a cute cottage by a lake. They can go swimming every day in the summer. My grandfather lives in a retirement home. He has many friends there who are his age. I would love to live in a big palace one day. I would be a prince and have a golden crown.